Hi, and welcome to all my future kitchen queens. Hello my ladies, welcome back to a video, and in this video I talk about my 1 week meal prepping that I do always. So it's my first video about meal prepping in this kind of way, and I'm very excited about it. But I do have to tell you that my husband and my daughter are eating everything. So they eat meat and they eat dairy, and honey, so they're not completely vegan, they're not completely alkaline, but they eat a lot of dishes I make. So I still create dishes for all of us. And I don't go grocery shopping every week, so not the big grocery shopping. Of course I buy like bananas, apples and so on every week, so we have like fresh fruit and vegetables or salads. But the main grocery shopping I'll do only once every 2 weeks. And I don't buy like big bulks. I buy enough that lasts us for 2 weeks, because I don't want to have a lot of waste of food, and I can manage these portions much better than bigger amounts. I do buy a lot of frozen fruit and vegetables because they're contain a lot of vitamins, because the fresh fruits and vegetables, when they stay a long time in the grocery stores, they lose vitamins, and I feel like they don't stay as good as I want them to. So I do much better with the frozen vegetables and fruits. Yes, I do like preparing my apple slices for my daughter. I don't throw away the skin and all the other stuff that comes from the apples. I put them in the freezer because I make other stuff out of it. And we really like that the apples in the lemon juice, because they don't get brown in it. So I didn't buy a lot of fresh vegetables this week. I bought the salad, and I definitely wash the salad before to make sure that it's ready to be eaten. And I like having my salad dressing ready as well. It makes life so much easier, especially if you have kids. I like creating new dishes every week because I like it. I enjoy to creating new dishes, but also my family enjoys trying out new dishes as well. So we both benefiting from it. So this week I went to Costco and they had so many sweet potatoes, and I thought, all right, let's try to create a dish out of sweet potato. And I came up with these 2 dishes, and we really enjoy them, especially my daughter. They came a little bit differently out than I expected, but the taste was pretty good. I do love recipes. They're pretty quick and easy, but the taste is like, you can eat that every day. And this is definitely one of the recipes I would recommend making. The main reason for me to meal prep is that you have less food waste, because you think about the stuff that you already have in the house and think about, okay, what can I create with that food what I already have, and what do I have to buy? And with that combination, you have such less food waste in the house. and you're definitely spending less money. And this money you can spend somewhere else, like you're going to the zoo with your kids, or you're doing something else, or you save it. So yeah, I definitely like that. That's a main factor to me. And I don't like food waste. So I try to minimize it as I can. And what I do too is I cook some of the dishes and I freeze them, so when I don't feel like cooking throughout the week, I have something as a backup. But sometimes I feel like I want to have something different today, and I start cooking. But yeah, you don't have that feeling every day, so you want to give yourself a little break. So we are almost at the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Please let me know in the comments if you would like to see videos like that more often, and don't forget to like it. So see you in the next video, and keep rocking your green life.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you need more vegan recipes, check out my other videos that I have in my channel. And I want to say I'm so happy for everyone joining this Rocker Green Life family. And if you want to be part of it and don't miss out on any future videos that I'm posting, if you want to support this channel, you're only one click away. So hit the subscribe button and join the family. So one important thing I asked you to do, so please, please, please let me know in the comments what future videos you would like to see. So I would say we see each other in my next video. So stay tuned and rock on your green life.